Hey everybody, how's it going? It's me Sam again, coming back with another video. Today I picked up a Deestop. Again, one of these names are very creative these days. So anyway, I picked up a foot massager, a steam foot massager. This thing will be great for my mom. So let's open things up and see what we have. This thing is it's pretty big. So this is the actual thing. It's just like that. It's pretty big. So we got the controls here, power control. I'll get a timer with the 10 and 20 second. Rolling, you can change the rolling speed on this thing. Heat level, you only have 3 different heat level. The levels are at 118 degree, 124 degree, and 129 degree. So depending on how much heat you can handle, you can switch this up. So this thing is just pushed up like that. Got a little security out here. So we got the Shiatsu roller down here. This thing can roll. This thing can also roll. So I guess if you turn on, everything here starts rolling. You just put your feet in here. Now this thing is a steamer. That's what they said. So, but you don't pour water directly into this guy, because you know it's not a bucket, it's not a tub. So this is where the water actually goes. So you get a little water tank here. This thing can hold about 300 milliliters of water. And now what they said was once you turn this thing on, it's going to take roughly about 10 seconds for the water, for the steam to start coming out. However, the heat level can take up to 5 minutes before it can get to its maximum heat capacity, whatever the level that you set to. It seems to be pretty good. I mean, it's simple enough. You just put your feet in there, turn it on, massage it. And massaging your feet is very, very comfortable. So these are the same. Instead of human massaging, you get the machine doing it for you. The build quality of this thing is basically a plastic cover. Pretty cheap. But however, down here is a much stronger plastic, and this thing is just really it's like a tube, not a tube, but a little bucket. So looks like this thing can be lifted up, and this is your Shiatsu massage roller. It's very basic. Let's see how the roller will work. I mean, this is just really simple enough. So this thing will light up. Right now it's set to 10 minutes. Push that, you get 20. Heat level. Very easy control. Simple control. Nothing else to it. I'm going to fill this tank with water. Make sure it's sitting in there. Okay, let's try this thing. Now normally you see on videos that you're going to get to see some really sexy legs. Well, you're not going to get it. Let me turn this thing on. You need to put the water in here, and then you need to make sure the water gets down to the machine. So you need to push that button right there. Otherwise it would say lack of water. So the roller is on. Set it to first level heat. Again, sexy legs. Oh, that feels comfortable. See the smoke coming out? I'm not feeling the heat yet. Honestly, it's not as powerful as I thought. I mean, I can feel the rollers rolling. You know, it's the Shiatsu massage is it's grinding the feet, but honestly, I would prefer it would be stronger than it is. Oh, the heat level is coming. You can move your feet, you can roll your feet a little forward or backward, so you could give a full massage on the bottom of your feet. It was a little ticklish, grinding the bottom of your feet. The heat level is increasing. It takes a little bit for the heat to get to its maximum level of heat. Just had a long hike today. This actually is really helping. Oh, it's getting better when the heat is increasing. Okay folks, that's all for me for this video. This thing actually feels pretty comfortable. Well, you can see all the smoke, the waters are generating all the smokes coming out, and don't worry, it's not going to blow up on you. So that's all I have for this video. This thing does feels really good. I do wish the rollers is actually a little more powerful, to be honest. It's not as powerful as you know, the massage machines that's for your back and other stuff. But you know, you can move your feet around. The rollers will get there, rolling around, massaging the bottom of your feet, and you do have a lot of sensory nerves in there that can keep you healthy. So, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for everything. If you like my video, please give me a like. If you want to, you can subscribe every here and there. I have a video coming out. If you don't, it's okay. Thanks for watching anyway. Again, there's plenty of these out there in the market, whether it's Amazon or Walmart or elsewhere, wherever you like to purchase it. And I'm pretty sure it's all the same. This thing, it uses a little bit of water only, but it's not like a tank that you put a bucket of water in there and steam yourself. So this is the foot massager. Thank you for watching.